Hey YouTubers, just doing a quick cleanup on my Infiniti 2012 G37 S. It's got the sport package. I'm sure all brakes are the same, but basically I was having these terrible squeaking noises. My brake pads are brand new, as you can see. They're Akabono. I got them online. The packaging for these, let's see, performance, I believe, don't remember if these are the front or the rears. I think these are the rears, and then these are the fronts. I ordered them online. They're pretty good brakes. They're used for kind of like high performance, and even police vehicles use them just for the amount of braking that they do. Obviously, if you're going to be doing a lot of hard braking constantly, you'd probably need to upgrade your brake lines to make sure they don't overheat. But I just wanted to have something with good stopping power. So anyways, the first time I changed out my front brakes and my back brakes, I noticed that I was getting a lot of very, very loud screeching noises. And I was watching another video and I saw this guy put oil on or grease on these parts right here. Now, I've seen people replace these metal parts, so by all means, if you want to replace them, that's fine. I didn't replace them. I just used really good brake cleaner, I guess, for them from AutoZone. I don't know if you can see that there. There you go. So, just regular brake cleaner. I bought an extra little brake greaser, I guess. So pretty much just need to really clean the hell out of these first, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grease pretty much this entire metal piece on the front side of it. So on this side, all of it, because what I think is happening is somewhere in here, when the brakes are squeezing, that metal piece is pretty much grinding. Not the disc itself, but I don't know particularly where, but I have a theory that this is causing that loud screeching noise. So I did my brakes on the other side and found that it worked somewhat. So I'm gonna try it on this side because I didn't get a chance to do this side. I only had an opportunity late, like one night throughout the week, to do the other side. So anyways, I'm gonna grease these. I'm gonna grease this all on the front side, and then grease the pads. I guess just re-grease them. They already have some on there, but I'm gonna pretty much just apply to this metal portion right here. Apply to the little beaks that come out right here of the metal piece, right there and right there, and then the little beak right here. And then also I'm going to apply a little bit of grease right here. I don't know if you can see that well. Let's see. I'm going to apply a little grease right here and then up here as well. And that's just in case I need it, because again, it's screeching pretty bad. So if any of you G37 owners out there have gone through this, you know what I talk about when I talk about the screeching. So, okay, here we go. I guess just spread it all around. I got pretty much fed up with the screeching and I didn't know what else to do. It was kind of embarrassing. You reverse, and it's really loud. Like, people turn around, they're like, what the hell? I took my vehicle to get an oil change, and on the report it says brakes are extremely loud. So I was kind of tired of hearing it, and you know, if I put brand new brakes on my car, I don't expect it to start screaming at me afterwards. So I'm just greasing all the metal. I cleaned all these before with the brake cleaner. So should be pretty well lubricated. Alright, so to put the brakes back on, really to take them off, all I use is this. I've seen guys use like a whole bunch of tools just to take off the brakes for these. I mean, all you need is this, and it's super simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the brakes back on. I might want to lubricate these a little bit. I mean, they're already pretty well lubed up. So go ahead and do that.